Our story begins with a bang. The Big Bang, a moment of unimaginable energy and creation, set the stage for everything we know. From this cosmic explosion, the universe was born. Billions of years passed, and the universe continued to expand and evolve. Stars ignited, burned brightly and faded away, leaving behind the building blocks for new stars and planets. Around one such star, our sun, a collection of dust and gas, began to coalesce, forming the early solar system. This was the birth of our planet, Earth, a unique world in the vastness of space. Earth was a place of constant change, with its surface reshaped by powerful forces. Volcanoes erupted, spewing molten rock and shaping the land, creating the foundation for future landscapes. Oceans formed, their depths teeming with life yet to be discovered, providing a cradle for the earliest forms of life. And then, in a warm, shallow pool, something extraordinary happened. Life emerged, sparking the beginning of biological evolution. Simple, single-celled organisms, the very first inhabitants of our planet, began to thrive and multiply. Over eons, life evolved and diversified, adapting to the ever-changing environment of Earth. From those humble beginnings arose a stunning array of creatures, each adapted to its unique environment, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. Plants learned to harness the power of the sun through photosynthesis, transforming sunlight into energy and oxygen. Animals developed senses to navigate their world, finding food, avoiding predators, and seeking mates. And then, in a remarkable twist of evolution, consciousness arose, giving rise to a new kind of life form. Our ancestors, the first humans, took their place on the stage of life, marking the dawn of a new era. These early humans were not like us. They were small and physically unimpressive, yet they possessed something extraordinary. They were small and physically unimpressive, but within their minds burned a spark of something new and powerful. They possessed curiosity, a desire to understand the world around them, and the ability to think and reason. They explored their surroundings, learning from their environment and each other, driven by an insatiable curiosity. They had the ability to learn, to adapt, and to pass on their knowledge to future generations, ensuring the survival and advancement of their species. This marked the beginning of human history, a journey of discovery, innovation, and growth. A history filled with both promise and peril, as humans faced countless challenges and achieved remarkable feats. A history that continues to unfold today as we strive to understand our place in the universe and shape the future of humankind. With the emergence of consciousness, humanity embarked on a remarkable journey. This journey was not just about survival, but about understanding our place in the world and the universe. We were no longer simply creatures reacting to our environment. We began to observe, to question, and to seek meaning in the world around us. We were thinking, feeling beings, capable of shaping our own destiny. Our thoughts and emotions became the driving force behind our actions and decisions. This new awareness came with a profound responsibility. We had to learn to balance our needs with the needs of the world around us. We were the caretakers of this planet, entrusted with the future of life itself. Our actions had consequences, and we had to learn to live in harmony with nature. Our early ancestors faced immense challenges. They had to navigate a world filled with dangers and uncertainties. They struggled to survive in a world teeming with predators and natural disasters. Yet they persevered. Their resilience and determination were the foundation of our progress. They learned to use tools, transforming sticks and stones into instruments for hunting and defense. These tools were the first steps towards technological innovation. They discovered fire, a source of warmth, light, and protection. Fire became a central part of their lives, providing comfort and security. These were not just technological advancements, they were triumphs of the human spirit. Each discovery and invention was a testament to our ingenuity and creativity. As humans spread across the globe, they encountered diverse environments and challenges. Each new land brought new opportunities and obstacles. They adapted to life in scorching deserts, dense jungles, and icy tundras. Our ability to adapt and thrive in different environments is a hallmark of our species. Through it all, the spark of consciousness continued to burn brighter. Our minds expanded and our understanding of the world deepened. We developed language, a way to communicate complex ideas and share our experiences. Language allowed us to build communities and pass down knowledge through generations. We formed social groups, learning to cooperate and support one another. These social bonds were crucial for our survival and growth. These were the building blocks of civilization. From small communities, we grew into complex societies with rich cultures and traditions. The journey from those first faltering steps to the complex societies we live in today is awe-inspiring. It is a story of progress, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It is a testament to the resilience, ingenuity, and boundless potential of the human spirit. Our history is filled with examples of individuals and communities overcoming great odds. We have overcome countless obstacles and achieved extraordinary things. Our achievements are a source of pride and inspiration for future generations. And as we look to the future, we must remember the lessons of our past. Our history is a guide showing us the paths we have taken and the mistakes we must avoid. For within those lessons lies the key to overcoming the challenges that lie ahead. By learning from our past, we can build a better, more sustainable future for all. The invention of agriculture marked a turning point in human history. It was a revolutionary shift that transformed our way of life, allowing us to settle in one place and cultivate the land. No longer dependent on hunting and gathering, we could now cultivate our own food. This newfound ability to grow crops and domesticate animals provided a stable food supply, which was crucial for the development of early societies. This led to settled communities, population growth, and the emergence of villages, which grew into towns and eventually into mighty cities. These urban centers became hubs of trade, culture, and innovation. With settled life came the need for organization and governance. Communities needed rules and leaders to manage resources, resolve conflicts, and ensure the well-being of their members. Early civilizations developed complex social structures, laws, and systems of leadership. These frameworks helped maintain order and facilitated cooperation among large groups of people. We built impressive structures, from towering pyramids to intricate irrigation systems, showcasing our growing mastery over the natural world. These architectural feats were not just practical, but also symbolic of our collective achievements. This era also witnessed the birth of writing, art, and philosophy. Writing allowed us to record our history, communicate complex ideas, and pass knowledge across generations. Humans began to explore profound questions about our existence, the nature of the universe, and our place within it. Scholars and philosophers debated ideas that would shape the intellectual foundations of future civilizations. We expressed our creativity through music, dance, and storytelling, passing down our values, beliefs, and dreams to future generations. These cultural practices helped to strengthen community bonds and preserve our heritage. The rise of civilization was not without its challenges. As societies grew, so did the potential for conflict and strife. Conflicts arose over resources, land, and power. These struggles often led to wars and the rise and fall of empires. Empires rose and fell, leaving behind both glorious monuments and cautionary tales. The ruins of these ancient civilizations remind us of the impermanence of human achievements. Yet through it all, humanity continued to progress. We rebuilt, learned from our past, and adapted to new challenges. We learned from our mistakes, striving to create more just and equitable societies. Reforms and innovations in governance, law, and social structures aim to improve the quality of life for all members of society. The journey was far from over, but each step forward brought us closer to realizing our full potential. The legacy of these early civilizations continues to inspire us as we build our future. The invention of the printing press in the 15th century revolutionized communication. Knowledge, once confined to handwritten scrolls and the whispers of scholars, could now be disseminated widely. This sparked a renaissance of learning, leading to groundbreaking discoveries in science, art, and exploration. The following centuries witnessed unprecedented technological advancements. The steam engine powered the Industrial Revolution, transforming societies and connecting distant corners of the globe. Electricity illuminated our homes and cities, while the telephone and telegraph broke down barriers of distance, enabling near instantaneous communication. The 20th and 21st centuries witnessed an explosion of technological innovation. Computers, the internet and mobile devices have created a world more interconnected than ever before. We have access to vast amounts of information at our fingertips and the ability to connect with people from all walks of life, sharing ideas and collaborating on a global scale. This interconnectedness brings both opportunities and challenges. It allows us to address global issues collaboratively, from climate change to poverty and disease. However, it also presents new risks, such as the spread of misinformation and the potential for conflict on a global scale. Navigating this complex landscape requires wisdom, compassion, and a commitment to working together for the greater good.